girls, come on here, join us. The yearly procession, August 16, 2024. Festivity of San Roque, Legazpi City. Some kind of a hot, but it's okay. Shout out to every one of you, okay? To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. Also on my Facebook viewers, also hi. And to all my 10 lovely countries, including each every one of you. And who else? To each every one of you. And of course, my family here. Kaya more up si Dora Berbechita and and to all the Roqueñans, happy fiesta again to each every one of you.
¡Viva señor! ¡Viva! ¡Viva señor!
Viva!
¡Viva señor!
Viva! As you can see, guys and girls, there are patrons joining here in our procession. Different kind of patrons, but I think it's only Senior San Roque. Just for you to know, guys and girls, Senior San Roque is a saint who carries, not carries, one who was with a dog, meaning for the cure of the healing of the wounds. Maybe not only literally speaking wounds in our body, but also in our hearts, in our minds, and in our souls, and in our lives. And we are singing native songs. These are my fellow townmates from generation to generations. And this is Senior San Roque, the one in there, the main patron. I'll just capture this one. Sunod ako. So there it goes, guys and girls. Once again to other Kenya.